heading towards my co-working space now. I need to finish off some work from the office and also have to do some editing. Abhi the weather is very cloudy and it's really nice, but I know it's gonna get like super hot and humid after some time because that's how it is. Morning and रात में बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही weather रहता है because it's cloudy and sometimes it rains as well. But afternoon में it gets like really hot. Also I know like my beard looks a little weird. I can't really help it. I went to a barber shop to get it trimmed. But the problem is यहाँ पे ना ही तो किसी को हिंदी आती है ना ही English आती है. So I tried explaining her through Google Translate, but that didn't help. So I was just talking about the weather. I was just about to reach my co-working and started raining really bad. All my camera and everything is wet. I hope it works fine. My mic is working fine, hopefully. Let me show you the co-working space now. Now I know I'm running a little behind the schedule for these vlogs. Like today is Sunday and I'm working on the vlog which I'll be uploading tomorrow, which is from yesterday. And by the time I'll be uploading this vlog, it will already be Tuesday. But yeah, I'm getting there. I'll catch up soon and yeah, like bear with me for a while. Hey man, what's happening?
Hey, I'm just working, fixing some bug on our website.
Nice. Are you excited for the beach today?
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Yeah?
You mean the beautiful beach on the south of the island?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay. You can finish off your work and then we head to the beach.
Okay. See you.
See you, man. So it's Sunday today, a lazy day. And it was very sunny in the afternoon, so I didn't do much. I was just sitting at the co-working and working on my stuff. And now we are heading to a beach, which is a beautiful beach. Like literally, the name of the beach is Beautiful Beach. And I've already made some friends over here at Koh Hub. Hey guys.
Wait. Hey.
And so yeah, like we are going to the beautiful beach. I'll quickly introduce you to everyone and I'll keep you posted.
I am from Prague, Czech Republic. And I am in Thailand to Koh Lanta for 1 month.
Oh, nice. Do you like the place?
Yeah, of course. I have been there before
nice.
a few times. So
nice. What's up?
I'm Goran. Hello. From the Netherlands. 27 years old, e-commerce guy, and a little bit crazy guy.
You know, you've got an Indian name. Like Gorang is a very popular Indian name.
Yeah, you told me. That's really interesting. Didn't know.
Nice.
Take care, guys.
What's up, man?
Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm from Spain and go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Yes.
So just arrived at the beach and look at the view, man. The beach is really beautiful and the sunset is happening. So yeah, like we'll just chill over here for some time and I don't know what's the plan after that. We are at the beach. Every time I stand before a beautiful beach, its waves seem to whisper to me. If you choose the simple things and find joy in nature's simple treasures, life and living need not to be so hard. And with this concludes the another episode from my workation series. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Until then, peace. So how was your experience?
Yeah, it was really great.
The
I didn't see drones like like this before.
okay.
You said you are about 2 kilometers far,
Yeah,
and I really wait for the videos you made.
yes man.